Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vietnam Stock Market's Opportunities. It's an honor to be with you today. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the email Vietnamstockmarket.entry@gmail.com. Telegram Vietnamstockmarket.entry with the phone number is +8491 432 6556. Or you can also scan the QR code on the screen so that we can support you. And the other way to contact with us is please follow and subscribe the channel name, Areca Capital Channel. The owner of this YouTube channel is Areca Nguyen. She is a personal financial advisor. You can contact her with the email hong.nguyen@vcfc.com.vn with the phone number is +8491 432 6556. We always welcome you to our office on the 11th floor, 109 Trinh Đạo Street, Hoàn Kiếm District, Hà Nội, Vietnam. And the purpose of this video is to update you about VIB. Established in 1996, VIB is the third smallest bank in our coverage universe in terms of total assets and brick and mortar network as of December 31st, 2021. VIB's strategy focused on retail banking. The bank was registered for trading on Ofcom in 2017 and listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange in November 2020. And this is the report which was collected by Viet Capital Securities about VIB on the 7th December 2022, with the current price is 20,400 Vietnam dong. Target price 25,900 Vietnam dong. Last target price 32,000 Vietnam dong. Offshore loan funding to support net interest margin. We decreased our target price by 19.1% to 25,900 Vietnam dong per share, but maintain our buy rating. Our lower target price is mainly due to one, a downward revision in our target PB multiple from 1.85 times to 1.30 times. Two, an increase in our cost of equity from 13% to 15.2%. And three, an 11.7% aggregate decrease in our projected 2022 to 2026 forwards net profits after tax that outweigh the positive impact of rolling our target price forward to end 2023 forwards. We trim our 2022 forward net profits after tax MI forecast by 2.4%, mainly due to one, a 2.9% decrease in 2022 forward net interest income as we lowered our credit growth assumption by 1.9 PPTs relative to our previous report, and two, a 6.9% decrease in our forecast for 2022 forward net other interest income, which outweighed three, a 23.4% decrease in our forecast for 2022 forward provision expenses. Fee income from the insurance picked up in Q3 2022 due to its risk change credit quota. We expect VIB will diversify its income and enhance its performance in other non-lending segments such as bank insurance, settlements, services, and credit cards. 10 months 2022 PBT was 8,715 billion Vietnam dong, more than 44% year-over-year, which completed 82.4% of our full-year forecast and was in line with our expectation. Offshore loans support VIB's net interest margin outlook amid the rising rate environment. Despite liking an advantage in receiving a high credit quota compared to the banks that are supporting weak credit institutions, securing offshore loans can support VIB's net interest margin and therefore improve its net interest income, in our view. In early November 2022, VIB received a disbursement of an offshore loan facility worth 150 million US dollar, 3.7 trillion Vietnam dong with a term of 5 years from the International Finance Corporation. In addition, the bank expects to receive another 100 million US dollar from the IFC in the near term. According to VIB, customer deposits are more closely compared to offshore loans. We believe this offshore loan can support VIB's funding cost by reducing the pressure on the bank to attract long-term customer deposits, to control its short-term funding to medium and long-term lending below the current regulated cap at 34%. VIB's STML was 32% in Q3 2022. However, we still expect downward pressure VIB's net interest margin in the next 1 or 2 quarters due to the lag impact of recent interest rate hikes on the lending rates. VIBs is one of the banks that should be least impacted by liquidity issues in the corporate bonds and real estate markets. As of Q3 2022, retail loans accounted for 90% of VIB's loan book and corporate bonds accounted for around 1% of total credit balance. However, we believe the recent rate hikes and slowdown in Vietnam's economy will still have a negative impact on the bank's credit quality. In addition, given one, a low provisioning buffer, and two, our concern regarding the second highest non-consumer finance influence NPL ratio in our coverage universe at 2.35% as of Q3 2022, we increased our aggregate provision expense forecast for 2022 to 2026 by 2.2% and project the NPL ratio grossed up for wide write-offs to reach a peak of 3.32% in 2024 forwards. And now let's pay attention to the next part. I will share with you the key figures of VIB. Let's take a look through the bar charts on the screen. And now we move to the part named valuation. We utilize two valuation methodologies in estimating our target price, assigning equal weighting for the residual income method and target's PP multiple. We lowered our target price to 25,900 Vietnam dong due to one, a downward revision in our target's PB multiple from 1.85 times to 1.30 times. Two, an increase in our cost of equities from 13% to 15.2%. And three, an 11.7% aggregate decrease in our projected 2022 to 2026 forward net profits after tax that outweigh the positive impacts of rolling our target price forward to end 2023 forward. Our lower bottom line forecasts are mainly derived from one, a 7.2% aggregate decrease in net interest income as we cut our aggregate 2022 to 2026 forward credit growth from 16.3% to 14.6%. Two, a 3.2% aggregate decrease in net other interest income, and three, a 2.2% aggregate increase in provision expenses. Figure 9 Valuation Summary with the ratings by history of recommendations. With the blue color is closing prices and target prices with the red color. Financial statements. And that brings me to the end of my presentation about VIB. Hope this video will be useful for you, and thank you for your listening. If you want to open a legal trading account, don't hesitate to contact with us with the information on the screen so that we can support you. Like and subscribe this channel to receive the new information. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.